Hey guys, imagine a world where creating jaw-dropping concept art for games, films, or comics is as simple as typing a few words. Today we're diving into Shakker AI, an advanced image generation tool that can transform ideas into stunning visual art. Whether you're a game studio or a film production company, Shakker's Flux models make it easy to develop early-stage concept art in seconds. By simply providing a prompt like futuristic spaceship landing on an alien planet or heroic warrior in a post-apocalyptic wasteland, you can explore countless design ideas instantly. No need to sketch each one by hand. Just type it in and let Shakker's AI bring your vision to life. Artists can experiment with different designs and compositions, adjusting styles and details with each model. Shakker AI saves time, boosts creativity, and lets you discover new artistic directions for your project. Shakker.ai offers different membership plans, but the basic features are available for free. With the free membership, you'll get limited tokens. So if you're interested in exploring the best models, I recommend considering an upgrade. Plus, you can start using it for free, which makes it super accessible for beginners looking to explore AI art. To create a free account, click the Sign Up button. You can sign up with your Discord or Gmail account. Upon registration, you'll receive 400 free credits to generate images at no cost. When you first visit the site, you'll notice its clean and user-friendly interface. The homepage features a vast gallery of AI-generated images. To generate AI images using your own prompts, simply click the AI Generator option. Here, you can enter custom text prompts, select from the available models, and instantly create stunning, high-quality images. Shakker AI offers a wide selection of base and enhanced models to suit different needs, whether you're looking for a standard model or an advanced one for intricate visuals. Once you've selected a model on Shakker, customize your image generation by choosing an image size that suits your needs. You can also specify the number of images you want to create in a single session. Next, enter a prompt describing your desired image. The AI will generate visuals based on your description. After a moment, you'll see two beautiful AI images related to your prompt and chosen model. If you're satisfied with the results, you can easily download the images or use the In-Paint feature to make edits, allowing for adjustments to details like hair color, eye color, and clothing. Another useful feature is the Remove PG option, which allows you to eliminate backgrounds from your images. Once you're happy with your AI-generated image, you can download it and use it for your projects. Next, let's explore another fantastic model that I personally love. Choose your desired image size and the number of images you'd like to generate. Once you've entered your prompt, you can look forward to stunning visuals that highlight the model's full potential. It's always an exciting experience. Each creation brings unique and unexpected outcomes. Finally, let's try another model. Once you've selected this model, choose your preferred image size and the number of images you'd like to generate. After entering your prompt, prepare to be amazed by the unique and stunning visuals. Showcasing the model's artistic flair, Shakker AI is an incredibly powerful platform that simplifies the creation of stunning images using advanced AI models. Shakker also offers an image-to-image option. This tool allows you to upload an existing image and use it as a base to create variations or enhance specific elements, transforming the original while retaining its core features. Shakker also offers an image-to-image option. This tool allows you to upload an existing image and use it as a base to create variations or enhance specific elements, transforming the original while retaining its core features. From customizing your images to removing backgrounds and making edits, the platform enhances your artistic workflow, making it accessible for both beginners and professionals alike. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next one.